What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my truck. This is a video I've been working on for a while. This is something I've been working on the truck for a while. I have been hiding this from you guys, and today you guys are going to be able to see what it is. It's going to be wheels, tires, and a lift. This is going to be a good video for you guys to ask me questions, whether it's my age, whether it's my social security. I'm kidding. Questions on why I went with the specific lift, why I went with this specific wheel or tire size, anything like that. Ask away and I will answer. I'm super grateful for all the sponsors I've had. They've made this truck build a lot quicker than I ever planned on doing. If you haven't checked them out, they're always in the description box below, so you guys can go check their products out. I'm seriously happy how it turned out, and it's awesome because I've only had this truck for a couple months, and it's cool to see how it looks now. You guys will see it in a minute. Of course, there's gonna be a lot more installs for you guys, so please stay tuned. If you're not subscribed yet, of course, be subscribed. Check out my previous videos if you haven't yet. All right, you guys, so now for the moment of truth that most of you guys have been waiting for, and of course I've been waiting for. Let me go ahead and pull the truck around so you guys can see it. In a previous video, I did do a drastic change. Of course, it wasn't nothing too crazy, but this is probably one of the biggest installs that I've done on the truck. I'm sorry I didn't do a how-to. I just didn't have the time to do it. So I just opted for a good friend of mine to do the install. Just want to give a big thanks to Robert because he is the one that installed it. So if you're watching this, man, seriously, thank you. You really treated me well. I appreciate it a lot. I got 17-inch Icon wheels. They're the Icon rebounds. I don't see anybody rocking them. That's why I opted to get them. And I think it looks really good. It turned out freaking awesome. As far as for the wheels that I chose, I did go with the Toyo Open Countries. They are 33s. For my suspension, I went with 5100s in the front. All right, so for the rear, I did do the Bilstein 5160s. I gotta give a big thanks to my homie Chris because he's the one that suggested them, and I really fell in love with them. He's running them on his truck, and like I said, they're a really good setup. Like I've said it in the previous videos, stay tuned for all the giveaways I'm gonna be doing pretty soon. Also stay tuned because we're gonna be doing an off-roading video. Yes, I'm taking the Tacoma off-roading. I'm gonna finally test out how it handles and see how the suspension is, see if it was worth it. And I'll of course let you guys know my thoughts and opinions. The comment section below, just please let me know what you guys think of the truck. I think it turned out great. Everyone that's seen it in person thinks it turned out great, so I really appreciate all you guys. I hope you guys like how it turned out. I really loved it. I've been holding this off for a while. I haven't showed it to you guys. It has been done for a while. Like I said, I liked how it turned out. I hope you guys did too. Please leave me questions, leave me your thoughts on how it turned out, if you guys like it or not. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Go ahead and show you the
Do I stop recording or
no? No. Alright, you guys ever hang on, there's a car.
I'm surprised there's this many cars coming, dude. I thought this business would be empty.
Okay.